Okay, we're on our way home now. I've got me dinner. Right, so as I was previously saying, the Bantam lasted me probably 6 to 9 months, and it spent more time underneath the kitchen window under a cover than it did riding it, so it had to go. Bit windy coming home. Don't know if you'll be able to hear me or not. We better go. So, the next bike I bought was a Triumph, and that was a Triumph 200cc. Gorgeous bike. Triumph Tiger Cub 200cc, single cylinder, 4-stroke, not a rubbish 2-stroke. I never have one of them again. So anyway, I've got this 4-stroke, and it sounded absolutely gorgeous. It did. Got single cylinder, knocked the baffles out of the exhaust pipe, and it was a cracker. And it was so reliable, never broke down. One kick of the kick every time I wanted to start it. It was lovely. Kept that for a year. Went to work on it and everything was superb, it was. So that was the first 2 motorbikes I had. I did like that 200, it was a lovely machine. No, we're down to 30 here now, aren't we, because of that school.